Have you ever nailed the product, done every single thing right, and still watched your sales dashboard collect cobwebs? No buyers, no conversions, and you're sitting there thinking, what am I missing? Well, here's the simple answer. If they don't get it, they won't buy it. And that's why clarity is the new currency in 2025. Let me tell you about a launch that flopped harder than a fish on concrete. A client of mine, brilliant woman, years in her niche, her product actually great, like really great. She'd invest months into building it. Beautiful packaging, killer testimonials, fancy sales page. And guess what? Launch day came, the traffic was there, the emails, she had enough money to spend on ads, but the sales weren't converting as she thought it would. She thought it was maybe the pricing, the audience, maybe even the algorithm. But it wasn't any of that. The real problem was nobody understood what the heck she was selling. Her headline said, "Awaken your inner alignment through conscious habit sculpting." I mean, what does it even mean? So here's the thing. When you're close to your product, you explain it like someone who built it, instead of someone who's hearing it for the very first time. There's even a name for this. The curse of knowledge. You're so deep into your thing, you forget what it's like to know nothing. And when customers are confused, a confused customer doesn't ask questions, they just leave. And that's exactly what and why this is happening. People don't buy when they understand your process. They buy when they understand the outcome. They don't care about your 7-step framework. They care about one thing. Will this fix my problem? Will this make me feel better? Can I see myself using this? So your job is make the answer obviously, immediately and undeniably yes. That's the only thing you should do. Let me show you what I mean. This headline. Transformative mindset coaching for holistic goal achievement. It becomes finally hit your goals even if you've tried everything and still feel stuck. Or this one. A 12-model system to reduce workplace overwhelm. And that becomes overwhelmed at work, these 5-minute habits will save you sanity. You feel the difference? Clarity. Benefit driven. No jargon, no guessing. Okay, so back to my client. We stripped the fluff, new headline. Sleep better in 7 days without pills, potions or pricey subscriptions. We made our customer the hero. We spoke directly to their pain and showed them what life could look like after buying. What happened next? Sales quadrupled. Conversion rates doubled. She even got messages saying, "I finally understand what you do." And that never happened before. And that's the same product, just a different story. Clarity equals cash. Let's talk tactics. Here's a rule that changes everything. If a stranger can't understand what you sell in 5 seconds, you've already lost them. So test your offer like this. Show your website or pitch to a 12-year-old. Ask them, what do you think this is for? If they can't nail the outcome fast, rewrite it. The best brands do this brilliantly. Think about it. Apple doesn't say, "Here's my Retina display with X amount of pixels." They say, "So clear, it's like holding a piece of paper." Now that's clarity. People don't have to think, and that's why it's selling so good. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You might be losing sales not because of price or quality or even competition, but because your customer don't get it. And if they don't get it, they don't trust it. If they don't trust it, they'll never buy it. But here's the good news. You can fix this in a single afternoon. Rewrite your landing page, simplify your pitch, focus on outcomes over features. Because in 2025 and beyond, clarity is your most valuable currency. And that is it. It's all you've got to do. If you found this helpful, please click the like button because it tells the algorithm you just received value. Till next time.